How to fix Steam download speed. So first, click on Steam in the top left corner, go to settings. Now here we want to go to downloads and make sure this is not checked, limit download speed, so uncheck this. Another thing you need to fix here or change is your download region. If this is not your country, then change this to your country or region which is closest to you. So after you have done this, then the last thing you have to do is right click on your taskbar, click on Task Manager. Here we have to go to Performance, click on Open Resource Monitor and go to Network, which is this one. It will show you all of your processes and the ones that are using much of your network. So as you can see, we have Chrome, for example, here. Then what you have to do is right click on the process and just end the process. If it's an important process, it won't let you end it because it will be grayed out. So hope this helps. Hope this increases your download speed. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.